Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos we have covered up many of the things using different languages, and I hope you understand that all stuff like we are just covering up the tutorial series of Java and React 18, and we have covered up many of the videos using these both tutorial, and I hope you understand that all stuff about these all tutorial videos which I am uploading. So I hope you'll be understanding today's video as well, because in today's video we are not working with Java or React 18 tutorial or any other video. So today we are just working with big video, and in this project we are building an amazing simple animated website template, and I'll be telling you how we are building this amazing simple animated website template. It will be really different video for you, and I hope you'll be understanding this because it will be having any of you can say it will be having really good animation, and I will be telling you what and how I've just put this animation in this project. We will be using Next.js 13 in this project, and we'll be seeing that how to put animation using Next.js 13 when we are building these amazing website templates, and I hope you'll be understanding today's video as well. If you understand, enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, so hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see all the coming up videos which I'll be uploading. And remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can understand how to build projects using these all languages, because I'll be uploading that in future as well. And you can also check my previous videos which I have uploaded, because recently on we have started the Java series in which we have covered up many of the practical projects. And in the starting I've telling you basically what is Java, how to work with that, how to install Java, what is setting up development environment in Java, and then we have also covered up the React 18 70 plus projects, and I hope you are understanding that projects which we have covered up using React 18. And soon I'll be bringing up more you can say different projects using React 18 in future, and I hope you'll be understanding that as well. But you can also check my previous JavaScript tutorial series which I have started. In that I've given you project-based tutorial, and in that project-based tutorial we have covered up many of the different projects using JavaScript. You can check that out if you want to learn JavaScript from start to end. I've also built many of the clones using Next.js 13, React.js and all that languages, because that will giving help to a beginner if they want to build that project. So you can just check that all things out. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we can just build this amazing simple animated website template using Next.js 13, and what and how we are building and what things we will be using to make our website look animated, and how we will be just making it animated using Next.js 13 from start. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project here, and today I'll be telling you how to build an amazing scrolling animated website template using React.js. So now we'll be starting with this video and seeing that how we'll be building this amazing scrolling website template using amazing language of Next.js 13. So for building this here, I will be opening my VS Code, and then after opening the VS Code, I will be now closing all the files which I am having, and then I will be now opening new window from here. After opening new window, I will be just now going to file and open folder, and then I will be opening my folder which is on desktop. And here is our folder with the name of simple scrolling animated website template. So here you can see I have opened my folder. After opening this folder, you have to now close all the files which we are getting here. So I will be now removing these all codes which we are getting, because I will be not needing this. After removing this, here you have to move to this file as well and remove the things from here, because I will be not needing these all things as well. But we will be needing the font, so here I will be not erasing this. So I'll be now pressing Ctrl B to close side panel, and then I will be changing it the title to scrolling. Then I will be writing animated website template. So here you have to write scrolling animated website template here like this. Now when you've written this thing, just you have to save it. And after saving, just here I will be now opening my I will be opening it in my default browser here, which is Google Chrome. You can see here it is, and I've opened this. Now after opening this file here, you have to close these all tags, and then you have to make it side by side. So coding side should be at the left, and at the right we will be getting our interface side. So after getting these things here, you have to now move under this body tag, and after moving this under body tag, you have to make a header tag. Then I will be now just giving it the class here in this a tag, which should be like portfolio. And then you have to now just do one thing, like you have to move down right here ULLI a tag. Then you have to now just write here style is equals to, and I will be now writing I1. Now when you've written this here, you have to now just do one thing, like here I will be writing class active, and here you have to write home. So after writing home, here you have to move down after this tag, and then you have to write here li a tag. Then you have to write here style is equals to, then write here dash I, and then I will be now writing here 2. After writing this here, you have to now just write about. After writing here about, you have to move down, write here li tag a tag, then write here dash I, and then I will be writing here 3. and right here is skills. After writing skills, you have to move down, right here li tag, a tag, then here you have to write I tag again, and then you have to write here 4, and then right here portfolio. After writing this, here you have to move down, then right here li tag, a tag, and then right here style is equals to dash dash I, and then right here 5, and then write contact. After writing this, here you have to move down, right here section class home, and then you have to move down, right here div class, and then you have to just write here home dash content. So here I will be now writing this. After writing this thing, just I will be writing h3 hello, then I will be now writing comma it's me. Then when you've written this, you have to move down, and then you can write here your name or any other name. So here I will be now writing my name here. So with the animation, we will be getting our name when we will be getting the animation here. Then I'll be writing here and I am, and here I will be writing span tag like this. Here you have to write class, and after writing class, I will be writing here multiple. So here you have to write multiple tags. Then you have to now just move down after this tag, write here p tag, and then you have to write here lorem tag. Then you have to now just write here div class. So here I will be now writing div class, and then you have to write here social icons. Then when you've written this, you have to write here a tag, then write here style, which should be like dash dash I7. Then you have to now write here I tag, and then you have to give it the class here. After giving here the class, you have to write bxl dash github. Then you have to now just move down, write here a tag, then you have to write here style is equals to, write here dash I, then I will be now writing here 8. Write here class like this, and after writing the class, you have to write here bxl, then here I will be writing LinkedIn. So here you have to write this. Then when you've written this, you have to write this tag again, write here style, then write here dash I, and then write here 9. Write here class bxl, then here I will be writing Facebook, and you have to write here circle like this. After writing this, you have to move down after this tag, then again you have to make this tag and write here style, and style I will be now writing here 10. Then you have to now make this I tag again, write this time class bxl, then I will be writing here YouTube. Then you have to now just do one thing, you have to give a space from here. After giving the space here, I will be giving a space from here as well. Now you have to just move down after this tag. In a tag, I will be writing slash ss. So here I will be now writing. Then you have to now just make this tag. Now when you've written this, you have to write here class, and then you have to now write here btn, and write here download cv. And after writing this, you have to now just give it the class here again, and then write it the class of home image. Then write here image, and you can just write you can make any random image here slash, and then I will be now just making this tag. Now when you've written this, here you have to now just save this thing. After saving this tag, here you have to now just make it so you can just make this more good looking. So I will be reloading here. You can see we are getting one image, so we can just style this image as well. Here I will be showing you how to style. You can put your image as well, but I am getting any random image, so I am putting that. Now I will be putting here margin, and then you have to write the padding here 0, then write here box sizing border box, and here you have to now just write text decoration. So here I will be now writing none. After writing here, you have to write list style, which should be none. Then you have to now write here font family, which should be like Roboto, and then you have to write here comma sans serif. Then you have to now just write here body, and then you have to write here background color, and in background color I'll be writing 1f24, then I will be writing 42d. Then I will be now moving down and write here color, which should be white. And after moving down, you have to write here header tag, then write here position fixed, then you have to now write here top 0, and then you have to write here left 0, and then you have to now just write this time padding 20 pixel 10%, and here you have to write background color, which should be like transparent. Then you have to now just write here display, which should be flex. So here I will be now writing display flex. Write here justify content, which should be space between. Then you have to now just write here align items, which should be center, and then write here width, which should be 100%. Then you have to now write here z index 100. Then you have to move down, write here ul, and then write display flex, and then you have to just now write here justify content, right here is space between. Then you have to now just write here align items center. Then you have to now just write here logo dot logo. Then you have to write here font size 25 pixel, write here color white, then write here font weight, which should be 600, write here cursor default. Then when you've written this thing, just here you have to now do one thing, like here I will be now writing opacity 0. Then here you have to write animation now, which should be slide right. So here I will be writing 1 as ease forwards. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to write here ULLIA tag. So here I will be now writing. Then you have to just now write here display inline block. So here I will be now writing this inline block like this thing. Now after writing this, you have to just now write here opacity, and in opacity I will be writing 0. Right here font size 18 pixel. So here after writing this, you have to write the text color white. Then you have to now just write the font weight, which should be 500. Then you have to just now write margin left, which should be like 35 pixel. Then you have to write here transition, which should be like all 0.3s. Then you have to now write here animation and write here slide top like this, and write here 0.5 as ease forwards. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to move down, write here animation delay. Then you have to just now write here calc, which should be like 0.2s. Then you have to just give a space, write this tag, and then write var, and here I will be writing -I. Save it, then reload. So you can see now we are just getting this all stuff here, and it is designed. After getting this, you have to write here ULLIA, write here hover, comma, write here ULLIA. Then here you have to write dot active. So here I will be moving, write here dot active here. Then move down, write here color of text, which should be 0EF. Then you have to now write here home, which should be writing the padding here relative. So here I will be now writing this. So here I will be now writing position relative. Then you have to now just here we have to write not position, write here padding relative this time. After writing this, you have to write here width 100%. Then after writing this, here you have to move down, write here height 100 VH. And after writing this, you have to now move down, write here display flex. Then write here justify content, which should be space between. After writing this, you have to now write here align items center, and then write here padding, which should be like here I will be writing 70 pixel, 10% 0. Then you have to now write here home image. And after writing this, you have to write here max width, which should be 450 pixel. And then you have to write here margin right -20 pixel. Then you have to now write here opacity, which should be like 0. Then after writing this, here you have to now just write a tag, which should be like animation. And here you have to write zoom in, write 1 as ease forwards. And then you have to write here float image like this. And then you have to write 4s. And after writing 4s, you have to write ease in out. Then you have to now write here infinite like this. Now you have to write here animation delay. And after writing this, you have to write 2s, 3s. Then you have to write here home content. So here I will be now writing this. Write here max width, which should be 600 pixel. Then write here home content h3. Then you have to now just write here font size 37 pixel. So here I will be now writing here font weight 700. Then here you have to just write here opacity, which should be 0. Then you have to now just write here animation, which should be slide bottom. So here I will be now writing this 1 as ease forwards. Then you have to just move down again, write here animation delay, and then you have to write here 0.7s. Here you have to now just write here home content again. Then I will be now just writing here h3 and write here nh child. After writing this nh, here you have to now write off type, and then here I will be writing 2. Now you have to write here margin bottom, which should be like 30 pixel. Write here animation, and then write here slide top, and write 1 as ease forwards. So here I will be now writing. Then write here animation delay, which should be like 0.7s. Save it, reload. So you can see now we are getting this all stuff. So we'll be styling this as well. I will be giving a spacing from here. Then you have to now just write here home content. Then I will be writing here h3 span tag. Then you have to write here color 0EF. Then you have to just move down, write here home content, again t tag. Then you have to write here font size 16 pixel, write here opacity 0. Then you have to now write here animation, which should be slide left. So here I will be now writing this 1 as ease forwards. And then you have to just move down, write here animation delay, which should be like, so here I will be now writing animation delay 1s. And after writing this, here you have to move down, write here home content h2. Then write here font size 56 pixel. and write here font weight. So here I will be now writing 700. Here you have to write margin, which should be minus 3 pixel, and then you have to write here 0. Then you have to write opacity 0. After writing this, you have to now just give it the text, which should be like animation, and in animation you have to write here slide right. So here I will be now writing here slide right 1s east forwards. So here I will be writing right here animation delay, which should be 0.7s. Right here again a tag, which should be like, here I will be now writing as. Then you have to write here social icons a tag, and write here display inline block. Then you have to now just write here justify content center, and then you have to write here align items center. And then you have to now just do one thing here, like I will be moving and then right here and like this. Then you have to just write here width 40 pixel. Then I will be now writing height 40 pixel. Here you have to just now write background color, which should be transparent. Then you have to now write here border 2 pixel solid. Then I will be now writing here a tag, which should be like 0ef. Then write here border radius, which should be like 50%. Then you have to now write here font size, which should be like 22 pixel. Then you have to write here color, which should be 0ef. Then you have to now just write margin, which should be 30 pixel. So here I will be writing this 15 pixel, then write here 30 pixel 0. And here you have to write transition, which should be slide left, or you can say transition should be all 0.5s ease. And then I will be now writing in out. And then when you've written this, here you have to move down, right here opacity 0. Then right here animation, and in animation I will be writing slide left, right here 1s ease forwards. Then you have to just move down, right here animation delay. Here I will be writing calc, and in calc I will be now just writing 0.2s. Write this tag, write var, and write this I tag. Now you have to write here dot social, and here I will be now writing icons a hover. And then you have to write here background color, and in background color you have to now just write here 0ef. Then you have to just now write the text color, which should be like 1f242d. Then you have to just move down, and then here I will be now writing 4 like this. Now you have to now just move down, right here box shadow, and here I will be now writing box shadow 20 pixel 0ef. Then you have to just now write here btn, and in btn I will be now just writing here display inline block. Then you have to just now do one thing, like here I will be writing padding, which should be 12 pixel, right here 28 pixel. Then you have to now write here background color, which should be 0ef. Then you have to just now write here border radius, which should be like 40 pixel. Then here when you've written this, move down, right here box shadow, which should be 10 pixel 0ef. Then you have to move down, right here font size 16 pixel. Then you have to write here letter spacing, and then write here 1 pixel like this. Here you have to write color, which should be 1f242d. So here I will be writing. Then you have to now just write a tag, which should be like font weight, which should be 600. Right here opacity, which should be 0. Then here I will be now writing animation slide top. So here I will be writing this 1s ease forwards. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to now write here animation delay, and here I will be writing 2s. Then when you've written this, here I will be moving down, and then you have to write here keyframes. After writing keyframes, you have to write here slide right like this. Then you have to write here 0%. Then you have to write transform, and here I will be now just giving it the transform of translate x. Here you have to write minus 100 pixels. So here I will be writing minus 100 pixel. Then you have to close it, right here opacity, which should be 0. Then after writing this, you have to write here 100%, give a space, move down, right here transform, and then you have to just write here translate x this time. Then write here 0, right here opacity 1. Then when you've written this, here you have to move down. After this, right here keyframes. Then I will be now just writing here slide top this time. Here you have to write 0%, and then here I will be writing transform, right here translate, and then this time I will be now writing here y, and in y value you have to write 100 pixel, right here opacity 0. Then you have to now just write here 100% again. After writing 100%, you have to write the transform value. Then write here translate, this time y, and here I will be writing the 0 value. And then in opacity I will be writing 1. So you have to write here opacity 1. Save it, then you have to reload. So you can see now we are just getting this all things here. And then when you are getting this here, we have to now just give the animation again. So here I will be writing keyframes, and you have to write here slide left. And after writing this, you have to move down and you have to write here 0%. So here I will be writing. Then you have to just write here transform, and in transform I will be writing here translate translate x. Then write here 100 pixel, write here opacity which should be 0, then close it. And then you have to write here 100%. Then you have to now just do one thing, you have to move down, write here transform, and in transform you have to write here translate x which should be 0, write here opacity 1. And then when you've written this, you have to just do one thing here, like you have to now just write the value again. So here I will be now writing the keyframes here. So I will be now writing the keyframes value of zoom in. Then here you have to write 0%, then write the transform value and write scale which should be 0, write here opacity 0. Then when you've written this, you have to now just write the 100% the value, write here transform, and then write here scale, and here I will be writing 1, and then write here the opacity which should be 1. After writing the value 1, here you have to move down, write here keyframes, and in keyframes here I will be now just writing float image. Here you have to move down, write here 0%, then write here transform which should be like translate, and then I will be now writing here y 0. Then you have to move down, write here the 50% value, and then you have to now just give it the space here, write here transform tag like this, and then write here translate value which should be y, write here minus 25 pixel, close it, write here 100% value, then write here transform, and here you have to just now write here translate. So after writing translate, you have to write here y 0. Then after writing this value, you have to close this tag directly from here. Then here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be now removing these all stuff from here, and you can see we have just written this all things. Then after doing this, you have to save it and then reload. And if I just show you, you can see we are just getting our paragraph here, and with the help of this, you can see we are also getting the animation. Here you can see if I just show you, you can see how good animation we are getting, and with the help of this pop-up animation, we are also getting our image which is styled and looking good. So like this, we can just build our project. I hope you understand how we have just built this amazing scrolling animated website template, and I hope you understand this video of this scrolling and website template which we have just built. This was the simple video, but I want to just tell you that if you want to give animation through Next.js 13, so how you can give it using this, and how you can just put animation using this thing. So I hope you understand this video and you enjoy this. If you have enjoy this video of scrolling animated website template in Next.js 13, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, if you want to see more videos like that, so remember to hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand these all things, because I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, and I hope that will be also really helpful for you. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things or more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.